Oh, dude. You're gonna get wet. Maybe not.
I already feel the mist.
I can feel the mist too.
I see it in the air.
I'm hoping it stays right there. I really don't want it to start working up.
What?
Hey, how are our backpacks? Are they like dry?
I think they'll be okay, yeah.
You think mine's getting wet at that end?
No, but it might. Yeah, there's a pretty good possibility it might there on that end. Cut it out. Sorry.
Yeah.
This is our fire that's dying. And there's our shirts that already got wet from the creek.
Look at our hanging.
Don't hang it. Just set it like on top of our stuff over here.
Does that have a chest strap? Or a waist strap?
Oh, there's some light over here. Water's gonna start seeping down now.
Yeah. We'll be surprised if anything stays completely dry. So, what are you thinking, Houston?
I'm thinking we're golden.
You think you're gonna get wet?
Oh no, I hope not.
I think you're probably gonna be okay.
Sounding like I'm getting sprinkles, but
It's coming right off the thing right here.
it's still digging.
Yeah. I'm hoping to catch some thunder on it. It'll be pretty sweet.
Let me see this. Let me see the camera too. So this is Seth using a thermarest as a blanket.
That's
All
right.
my years of camping, I've never seen this, and yeah, it's hilarious. There's Chris.
We're getting wet. Not really.
My hammock.
Oh, dude.
Oh! So that just dumped right down in my hammock, and
What is this? What's right here?
Oh, don't do that! There's water right there,
but
dude.
there's water here. Why is there water here?
Dude, stop! Stop!
Okay, I'm stopping.
Here, take the camera. I'm glad we got that.
How is there water there? I think that's coming off of your hammock. Oh, it's your hammock. Maybe it's yours.
Dude, there's not water there.
What is it?
Oh, it's under here. Oh my goodness.
I can't see it. Here, check this.
Wait, I want to see.
Okay.
What is it?
So guys, this is a thing of water.
I
It
see
is massive, and when it goes, we are all soaked.
The light. Oh no. Here it comes. No. Oh yeah, put it over the back. Put it over the back.
This is a bad idea.
It all went over there.
Oh goodness. I think no, there's still a ton there. So this obviously isn't working, and why are we still recording?
Because it's awesome.
Okay, hold my hand there.
I got you.
I don't like this. I thought your dad said this was gone real quick. Like right here.
Are you wet, Seth?
Yeah, why?
Stop complaining. Oh man.
Why are you guys wet?
I'm not. He's just the one that's gonna get soaked tonight.
Yeah, so your dad might have had a wrong prediction.
You should call him back if he got any signal.
Why?
Oh, that just ran down my back. Down my back and got my butt crack. Oh, goodness. That was...
What?
You gonna call him back?
Nah, I don't know. This is settling in like a rain that's gonna last a while too.
Look at that.
I'm sorry, man. I don't know what to say.
What? Just give me that fleece and you'll be fine.
How are our packs doing?
Huh?
How are our packs doing?
The power went out.
Our packs are fine.
They are?
Yeah, there's no water here yet. I think if it goes anywhere, it's gonna drain right over there and right over here because those are low spots.
You're in a low spot.
We still got a coal in the fire. So what are you gonna do, Houston?
For right now,
You hook it up to mine.
I'm just gonna let it sit there
Pick it
for
up
now.
beside Chris's and you guys can bump beside each other. Nice and cute like.
I might do that.
Sounds like it's letting up.
Dude, you can just hook it to my carabiner and laser for now. Seth, knock it off.